Today, your angels brought a message that will completely transform the way you see a person in your life. Without you realizing, your actions, words, and even your silence deeply touched someone you may not even imagine. What you did was not small. It was something that sparked a monumental change in that person's heart, and what is to come may surprise you in a way you never expected. If you want to keep receiving messages that can change your life, subscribe now and activate the bell so you don't miss what is coming. This person, whom you affected so intensely, is going through a whirlwind of emotions. The angels show me that, for a long time, she tried to suppress what she felt, hiding from herself the impact you had on her life. She was trapped in a cycle of doubts, insecurities, and it was your light, your authentic way of being, that made her awaken to a truth that was previously denied. You, in your simplicity, acted naturally, without the intention of causing such a transformation. But the angels want you to know that at the moment your energies crossed, something very profound happened. It was as if a flame was ignited within her, illuminating parts of her soul that had been dormant for a long time. She felt something different, something she had never experienced before. At first, this person struggled with these emotions. After all, it wasn't easy for her to accept that a simple encounter, a conversation, or even an exchange of glances could change her perspective on life so much. There was fear, there was resistance. The angels reveal that this person had built walls around herself, perhaps as a way to protect herself from new disappointments. But slowly, these walls began to crumble. Every gesture of yours, however simple it was, resonated within her like an echo that could not be ignored. The way you faced challenges, how you kept your unwavering faith, your unique sparkle, all of that was like a breath of life to someone who, until then, no longer believed in the power of truly connecting with another person. The angels show me that this person watches you silently. She sees you as someone special, someone who carries a different light within, an energy that makes her feel alive again. There is a mystery about you that intrigues her, an invisible force that pulls her closer and closer. Even if she tries to resist, the feelings you have awakened are becoming more and more intense, more uncontrollable. And now, this person is at a breaking point. The angels say she is preparing to do something that will change everything. What she will do next may surprise you, it may even shock you, but it is something she feels she can no longer postpone. A revelation is coming, a truth that is about to be spoken, and that will transform the dynamics between you. This person has been going through an intense process of reflection. She has been reviewing her choices, her beliefs, and realizes that something has changed within her since you entered her life. Before, she believed she knew what she wanted, that she had all the answers about love and relationships. But now, she feels disarmed. Everything she thought she was certain of has been shaken by your presence. The angels show that this person can no longer ignore what she feels. She is beginning to see you in a completely new light, and every attempt to distance herself only makes the desire to be close to you more intense. She feels an irresistible attraction, a growing need to connect with you on a deeper, more meaningful level. Get ready, because what this person is about to do will reveal a lot about the impact you had on their life. The angels are preparing you for this revelation, and they ask you to keep your heart open, without fear, because what comes next is a gift from the universe, a chance to experience a unique, transformative connection. This transformation happening within this person is something that goes beyond the physical plane. The angels reveal that there is a spiritual connection between you, something profound that was destined to happen. Perhaps at some point, you have questioned why your paths crossed so intensely. And now, the answer begins to reveal itself. Nothing that has happened so far has been by chance. The angels have been working behind the scenes, aligning every detail of this story, preparing both of you for what is to come. Even if this person has tried to ignore or hide their feelings, they are being guided towards an emotional and spiritual awakening that can no longer be postponed. This person feels that something has changed irreversibly within them. At first, they tried to find logical explanations for what was happening. Perhaps they convinced themselves that it was just passing feelings, or that all of this would disappear over time. But the angels show me that the more they try to distance themselves from this truth, the stronger this connection becomes. The universe is orchestrating a meeting of souls. You were brought together for a greater reason, and now this person is beginning to understand that. They are starting to see that, no matter how hard they try, they can no longer deny the strength of what they feel. There is something uncontrollable growing inside them, an almost desperate need to open up and express what is in their heart. The angels are preparing you for this moment. They know that you have already gone through many doubts, that you might have questioned this person's feelings, or even the future of this connection. But they want you to know that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Every obstacle, every silence, every distance had its purpose in the awakening process of this person. Now, the angels reveal that this person is preparing to take a courageous step. They are becoming aware that they can no longer postpone the inevitable. There is a truth that they need to share with you, something that can completely transform the course of this story. And this truth, although it may surprise you, is the key to a new phase, more sincere and more connected, between you both. Each day, the resistance that this person felt is dissolving. The angels show that they are starting to free themselves from old fears, from insecurities that held them back in the past. Courage is arising within them, and they feel that it is time to face what they are feeling, to open up to something that can be scary, but also incredibly liberating. It is important for you to prepare for this change. The angels ask you to keep your heart open because what is about to happen may bring intense emotions to the surface. This is a delicate moment where this person will need your understanding, your patience, as they learn to deal with the depth of their feelings. The revelation that is about to come is not only about what this person feels for you, but also about how they have changed since they met you. The angels show that before you entered their life, they were stuck in a cycle of stagnation. Maybe they were lost in their own routine, without realizing how much their soul longed for something more, for a true connection. And then you showed up. With your light, with your energy, you awakened something within her that had been dormant for a long time. You brought hope, brought a new perspective on life, and that made her realize that she was living in a limited way, afraid to open up to what really matters. Now this person is faced with a choice, to continue hiding or to allow themselves to feel everything that the universe has placed before them. The angels say that this person is about to make a choice that will deeply impact your relationship. And this choice, although it involves courage, also brings a great relief with it. She is tired of fighting against what she feels. She knows that she can no longer ignore the truth, and that the only way to move forward is by being honest with herself and with you. Get ready, because the moment of truth is very close. The angels want you to know that, regardless of what happens, you are being guided towards a path of growth and learning. They surround you with love and protection, ensuring that in the end, everything will be for your highest good. As the angels continue to guide the steps of this person, she finds herself increasingly involved in the depth of the feelings she has for you. The internal transformation that is happening is powerful, forcing her to confront parts of herself that she has always tried to hide. She is not only discovering love, but also truths about her own life, about what she truly desires, and who she wants to be by your side. The angels reveal that this person is going through a process of deep healing. Often, we distance ourselves from intense feelings because we are afraid of reliving old wounds. And that's exactly what was happening with her. Before you appeared, she had already decided that it was better to keep her heart closed, that the risk of getting hurt again was too great. But your presence has been a healing for this wounded soul. You, without realizing it, have been illuminating parts of her life that have been shrouded in darkness for a long time. She is beginning to understand that true love is not about control or predictability, but about surrender. The angels show me that, in the moments when she was alone, reflecting on everything she felt for you, their presence was beside her, whispering in her heart, guiding her to accept the truth about what is blossoming between you. This acceptance, however, did not happen overnight. There were many nights of doubts, restlessness. She wondered if it was safe to open up, if it was right to allow this love to grow. But now, finally, the angels are showing that the barriers she built herself are crumbling. What was once fear is being transformed into courage. And this is something that can deeply surprise you. The angels reveal that this person is about to take a step forward. She feels that she can no longer hide what is inside her heart. The internal pressure to hold on to these feelings is becoming unbearable, and she knows that it is time to express herself. But what she is about to share goes beyond words. It is a truth that comes from her soul, something she did not have the courage to admit even to herself until now. Get ready, because this revelation is going to change everything. The angels say that this moment may be scary for her, but they are by her side, giving her the strength needed to move forward. And you, in turn, are also being prepared to receive this truth. The angels want you to keep your heart open and welcome this person with the same light and love that you have already shown so far. This change that is about to happen is a blessing. It is the result of all the spiritual work that has been done by both you and her. The angels are showing you that the wait was worth it. Every moment of doubt, every hesitation, everything was leading to this crucial point, where the truth will finally come to light and you will be able to move forward in a new direction, more connected and aligned than ever. The angels also reveal that, as difficult as this journey has been, every obstacle had a purpose. This person needed time to mature emotionally, to understand what she was really feeling. And now that she is ready to open up, you will see how important this process has been. The love she feels for you has been growing silently, but now it is ready to be expressed in a way she never imagined possible. This moment of revelation will not only be a confession of feelings. It will be a turning point. The angels show that after this truth is spoken, something profound will change between you. The spiritual connection you share will be even stronger, because now there will be no more masks, no more hidden fears. It will be the beginning of a new phase, where you will finally be able to surrender to this connection without reservations. But the angels also ask you to prepare yourself emotionally for this new stage. What is to come will require both of you to be open, willing to be vulnerable, and to trust each other. It won't be an easy path, but they guarantee it will be rewarding. True love is never simple, but it is always rewarding. With this transformation in sight, the angels ask you to keep the faith. What is about to happen is greater than you imagine. This person is ready to take a step forward, and when they do, there will be no turning back. They will expose their heart in a way they never have before. The angels reveal that this will be like they are bearing their soul, showing you all the emotions, all the doubts, and above all, the love they feel. This is a rare and special moment. The angels show that we do not always have the opportunity to witness a soul opening up in such a complete, vulnerable way. And you, in turn, will also be called to open your heart. Because even though this person is about to take this big step, what follows will be a new beginning for both of you. The universe has been working to align everything so that this revelation happens at the right moment. And that moment is coming. The angels show me that once this person opens up to you, everything around you will start moving faster. What seemed distant or impossible will suddenly become real and tangible. This person is ready to invite you, not just with words, but with their soul. An invitation to walk together, to explore together what the universe has prepared for you both. The angels show that, after hiding what they felt for so long, this person finally understood that what you have is too special to be ignored. And when they speak, the words will have the power to transform everything. It will be a moment of healing, of liberation, and you will realize that every step here has made sense. Every difficulty, every silence, every doubt, everything was part of a bigger plan that is now about to be revealed. But the angels also ask you to have patience in this process. Although this person is ready to open up, there will still be moments of hesitation, of fear. Not because they doubt what they feel, but because the depth of this connection scares them. They have never felt something so intense before, and that brings a mix of emotion and apprehension. However, the angels assure that, with love and patience, you will overcome any obstacle. This person is already closer to you than you imagine. The angels show me that, even in the moments when they seem distant, there was an invisible force pulling them back to you. This connection is something that goes beyond what the eyes can see, beyond what words can express. It's a soul connection, a bond that was forged long before you met in this life. And now, as this truth begins to unfold, the angels ask you to continue trusting the process. The love that is about to reveal itself is a love that will transform not only the present but the future of both of you. It will be a new chapter, where you can write a story together, a story of growth, of healing, and of profound spiritual love. The angels are preparing the ground for this new phase. They surround you with light, with protection, ensuring that you have the clarity needed to deal with what is coming. They ask you to keep your mind and heart open because the blessings that are about to manifest are greater than you can imagine. This revelation will be a pivotal moment. The angels show that, after this, you will have the opportunity to build something together, something that goes beyond the ordinary. This person finally sees in you what the angels have always known. You are light, you are love, and you are the missing piece in their journey. And now that they are ready to take this step, the universe is also ready to align everything so that this love may flourish. This is the moment to trust. The angels are guiding you and assure you that you are not alone on this journey. What comes next is a divine gift, an opportunity to experience a love that transcends barriers, that heals old wounds, and brings a new perspective on life. This is the moment to receive, to open your arms to what the universe has prepared for you. Get ready to be amazed, to feel something you have never felt before. What is about to come is magnificent, and the angels are celebrating every step you have taken so far. They remind you that everything happens in the right time, and this is the moment you have been waiting for. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.